What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Edward Too Swell Money, man. It is, man. I'm back with another video, man. Today, look, I got a little unboxing for y'all, man. I just would have picked up a new file. It ain't my file, because I already got a file. But you know what I'm saying? Alright. But, I went and got my little brother a file. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Hey, gotta keep everybody safe. You feel me? Now, look. Before we get into the video, man, make sure you like the video, man. Comment down below what other videos you want to see me do, man. And make sure you subscribe, smack it, hit it, lick it, you know what I'm saying? And make sure you hit that bell, man, get notified every time I post, crazy. Like, literally, like the video, man. Like, you don't have to subscribe, but like the video so the video can go to other people and other people can come watch the video. So like the video. But, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do a lot of talking for my little brother, man. You know what I'm saying? My boy. Yo. So basically, man, this is gonna be like a unboxing video, you know what I'm saying? So, hey. Let's see how things going there. Hey. But anyway, man, I ain't gonna do a lot of talk. We're gonna get straight to the video. So first of all, we gonna start off with these motherfucking bullets, you feel me? Hey, I don't know what type of this shit. But we got these bullets, bro, you know what I'm saying? 9mm, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even looked at them yet. Oh, these bitches hard.
Yeah. That motherfuckers right there, man.
These bitches hard. Hold on. I ain't got no glove in. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. It be hard. Like, yeah. But that's a bullet, you feel me? Now look, man, this ain't no Glock, goddamn. But this motherfucker work like a Glock. You know what I'm saying? Like
they gonna do something.
That bitch gonna do something. You hear me? Every time. I bet you won't run. You can talk shit, but I bet you won't run up on that motherfucker.
Yeah, man.
I be seeing motherfuckers talk about that shit on Facebook all the time. They be like, man, D gun trash, the Smith & Wesson trash.
Yeah, they wanted a damn Glock.
Right, man. I can go without a Glock, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, want that bitch work. That bitch work.
Oh, God. Could that bitch go?
Shit, you gonna do that shit.
He gonna do that shit. He gonna get down. But, it came with like a little Glock for the gun and shit. It did. Type shit. But it come with like two clips, man, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the fire, man. And we got the fire. She let me try the bit out in the stove.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit. This bit, it feel like, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's motherfucking nice, man.
Yeah.
But then you got, so basically you got three.
Yeah, that bitch got 3 clips.
We got 3 clips, man. Mine ain't come with it. Mine ain't come with all this. Mine ain't come with it. It came with the one in the gun.
Yeah.
And then one in here. It didn't come with the extra.
Yeah.
But this shit, you know what I'm saying? Hey.
That bitch fine.
It got the safety on this motherfucker. Gotta fuck with the safety. Cause I'm not trying to shoot myself. Man.
Can't do that.
Right. But it, like I said, it's G3C. You know what I'm saying? I got the G2C. But I ain't finna, you know what I'm saying? Hey, that gun still do some damage. You feel me? Hey, we gonna have to go to the gun range now, my boy.
Yeah, you gotta do that.
Yeah, go shoot.
I think those clips can go on yours too.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah.
There you go, my boy.
I appreciate it.
Don't forget the lock. We're gonna go and finish this video out with a little Hotbox. Oh, they gave me like some little paperwork too, man. Hey, shout out to Academy. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, here you go. Shout out to Academy.
Yeah, that's a damn promo video, man.
Yeah, gotta get it all. Now that bit was high as hell. Now that bit was about, it was priced for $350, but then the tax hit that motherfucking bit was $373. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. Even. We on the road with 1K.
1K, yeah, you need that in a day.
But anyway, man, it's your boy M2 Swift Money, man. I'm out that bit, man. Hey, if you fuck with the video, like the video.
Yeah,
You ain't
like
gotta subscribe, but like the video.
Yeah, just like it, man. One like, one hurt, nigga. That shit free.
Right, for real. ASAP.
Yeah.
Say we in the wheel, it going fast, call that shit need for speed. Got your hoe on my head, cause I'm on my bed, but there's no need for me. See, I cannot chase the bitch, ain't got no time to be chasing shit. You spend that guap on a bracelet, while I'm fucking that hoe and he race.